Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is down, pretty much flat there. On the S&P Nasdaq did the same. Semiconductor did get hit 2% negative. Dow 0.2% positive. Russell 2000 down. Along the transport, banks, energy did get hit today 3.5% negative. Biotech is up along with the healthcare and utilities. Home builders down, a tail down, and emerging market down. Bitcoin is up a little bit. Gold, silver miners are down. Dollar up, oil down, treasury bond up. VIX is down a little bit. Let's stay with S&P 500 ETF. Spider, 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed yesterday. And looks like we pretty much opened flat today, but a little bit of that fluctuation on that first hour. We talked about the fact that there was a down gap or the up gap. That gap was filled on that first hour. You can see right there. So we talked about the fact that if the down gap or that up gap gets filled, that's the gap right here. It gets filled, it's going to act as support. And so you can see that all day long, bears were not able to get beneath that level, 378, 379, acting as support, as you can see right here all throughout the day. However, why didn't the bulls able to advance though once we did see that gap getting filled and that level acting as support? You can see though my micro term and my short term. I actually changed the colors here because I felt like that, you know, this color is lighter color and the green color is a little bit thicker. Does it make sense? So the green is gonna be the short term, the green right here, the green dotted, and then the squiggly line, light blue, is gonna be the micro term. It was the other way around for this entire year, but I thought to myself today that green should be the short term. Anyway, so short term here, micro term there. And so bulls were not able to advance because once the price got below it, and now that, you know, those short term and the micro term moving averages kind of like flattening out to, you know, declining, and those moving averages acting as resistance there. So there are a lot of resistance that bulls need to go above before they can find any kind of traction. The midterm moving average still coming down. We talked about the fact that earlier this week that the midterm is still bearish, despite the fact that we did see certain bullish momentum here in the last week and a half or so. But that midterm moving average coming down like this, telling us there's still bearishness in the overall market, while the micro term and the short term was showing some bullishness. But today, last couple of days, as you can see, they're flattening out. We're getting into the neutral / bearish sentiment. So what the bulls need to do, and the buyers and the sellers, is that the 379, 378 is important level. Bulls obviously want to hold this level, because if you don't hold this level, bears will push it to 370. If bulls can hold this level, get above the short term and the micro term, we do have the midterm moving average at 387. Let's check out that oscillator. See if we can extract any more information. So that oscillator is initially crossing here. And you can see that how bears were not able to bring it all the way to the bottom of his band. We're kind of prematurely crossing back up here. However, that cross as of today is not, you know, fully crossing here. We got just a little bit of a move there. I mean, sometimes when you see something like that, you know, we don't know. We want to see a full on cross to say that the oscillator is supporting the buyers. As of today, that isn't really telling us a whole lot, except the fact that the price is stagnant, which we've seen all throughout today. So what's gonna happen is this: if we see a pop tomorrow, that oscillator is going to cross back up, and that's the good news for the buyers, because you can see that oscillator has been fully reset pretty much. And there's a whole lot of space remaining right here. Kind of like what they saw right there, and they can actually bring it right back up. However, if we do lose 378, 379 tomorrow, if bears start bringing it down, this is gonna look something like this and come right back down. Maybe we see that pancake action at the bottom of its band, and that's what the bears want to see. So either it's 387 with the pop or 370 by losing that 378 support. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. We'll train tomorrow.